Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about osmotic pressure, osmosis, reverse osmosis, and its mathematical expression. We also discussed about classification of solution on the basis of osmotic pressure, like isotonic solution, hypertonic solution, and hypotonic solution. Today we discuss about elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. But we firstly discuss about the boiling point of a liquid. Boiling point of a liquid. The boiling point of a liquid is the temperature. The boiling point of a liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. Vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. We repeat again. The boiling point of a liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. Boiling point is that temperature at which vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Elevation in boiling point. Next, elevation in boiling point. When a pure solvent is mixed with solute, then its boiling point increases. This increase in boiling point is known as elevation in boiling point. Repeat again. When a solvent is mixed with solute, then its boiling point increases. This increase in boiling point is known as elevation in boiling point. That is, delta Tv is equal to Tb minus Tb naught. Delta Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb naught. Here delta Tb, elevation in boiling point. Delta Tb, elevation in boiling point. Tb, boiling point of solution. Tb, boiling point of solution. And Tb naught, boiling point of solvent. Tb naught, boiling point of solvent. Tb, boiling point of solution. And delta Tb, elevation in boiling point. Boiling point of solution, that is Tb, is greater than the boiling point of solvent Tb naught. Tb is greater than Tb naught. In other words, we can also show diffusion in freezing point. It is difference between the freezing point of solution and the freezing point of solvent. Diffusion in freezing point is the difference between freezing point of solution and the freezing point of solvent. Elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to the molality of the solution. Elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to molality of the solutions. That is, delta Tb is equal to Kb into m. Here delta Tb, elevation in boiling point. Kb molar elevation constant, and a small m molality of the solution. Kb molar elevation constant and a small m molality of the solutions. The value of Kb is depend on the types of the solvent. The value of Kb is different for water, is different for ethanol, is different for other solvent. Delta Tb is also written as Kb into W2 by M2 into W1 into 1000. Delta Tb is equal to Kb into W2 by M2 into W1 into 1000. Here W2 weight of solute in gram, W2 weight of solute in gram, M2 molecular mass of solute, M2 molecular mass of solute, and W1 weight of solvent in gram, W1 weight of solvent in gram. The final formula of elevation in boiling point is delta Tb is equal to Kb into W2 by M2 into W1 into 1000, where delta Tb elevation in boiling point, Kb molar elevation constant या Elbowscopic constant. Kb is also known as Elbowscopic constant or molar elevation constant. W2 weight of solute in gram, M2 molecular mass of solute, W1 weight of solvent in gram. Kb molar elevation constant, it is also known as Elbowscopic constant, molar elevation constant or Elbowscopic constant. A graph between vapor pressure and temperature. The vapor pressure of solution is less than the pure solvent. Vapor pressure of solution is less than the vapor pressure of pure solvent. We know P naught, that is vapor pressure of solvent, is greater than the vapor pressure of solution, but the boiling point of solution is greater than the boiling point of pure solvent. That is, vapor pressure a relation between vapor pressure and boiling point, that is vapor pressure is inversely proportional to the boiling point. Vapor pressure is inversely proportional to boiling point. We draw a graph between vapor pressure and boiling point. of solvent and solution. We put vapor pressure on the y-axis, vapor pressure, and temperature on x-axis. Boiling point of solvent TB naught, TB naught, boiling point of solution TB, TB naught boiling point of solvent and TB boiling point of solutions. At the boiling point, the vapor pressure of a liquid is same. Vapor pressure is constant. Here, at the boiling point, vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. TB naught is the boiling point of solvent, TB boiling point of solution. At the boiling point, vapor pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure Vapor pressure is inversely proportional to the boiling point. Thus, the graph of vapor pressure and boiling point, the graph between vapor pressure and boiling point will be curved. AB and CD. Graph CD for solutions and AB for solvent. Here, O2 TB naught is the boiling point of solvent and O TB is the boiling point of solution. And the difference between the boiling point of both is TB minus TB naught. TB minus TB naught. And it is known as elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point, that is delta TB. Delta TB. Delta TB. Next, the relation between elevation in boiling point and latent heat of vaporizations. Relation between elevation in boiling point and latent heat of vaporizations. That is Kb is equal to R T naught squared by 1000 into LV, where R universal gas constant R universal gas constant. T naught boiling point of solvent. T naught boiling point of pure solvent. And LB latent heat of vaporization per gram of the solvent. LB latent heat of vaporization per gram of the solvent. We repeat again. Kb is equal to RT naught squared by 1000 by LV, where R universal gas constant, T naught boiling point of pure solvent, and LB latent heat of vaporizations. LB latent heat of vaporizations per gram of the solvent. Latent heat of vaporization per gram of the solvent. This formula is also converted in terms of enthalpy of vaporizations. Enthalpy of vaporization latent heat of vaporizations is equal to enthalpy of vaporization by molecular mass of solvent. Enthalpy of vaporization is divided by molecular mass of solvent, then it is equal to latent heat of vaporization per gram of the solvent. Latent heat of vaporization per gram of the solvent is equal to enthalpy of vaporizations by molecular mass of solvent. We repeat again. Latent heat of vaporizations per gram of the solvent, that is LB, is equal to enthalpy of vaporizations of solvent divided by its molecular mass. The value of LB is put in the previous formula. We get Kb is equal to M1 R T naught squared by 1000 into enthalpy of vaporizations. Enthalpy of vaporization. Kb is equal to M1 RT naught squared 1000 into delta VAPH, enthalpy of vaporizations. We repeat again. Here delta VAPH, latent heat of vaporizations per mole of the substance. Del VAPH is also known as latent heat of vaporization per mole of the substance. Del VAPH, latent heat of vaporization per mole of the substance. And LV, latent heat of vaporization per gram of the solvent. Thank you. And in next class we discuss the numericals of elevation in boiling point. Bye.